Yeah, it's only shaded right here.
I'm putting my favorite food.
That's why Brantford's sick. You're legally allowed to dock floating devices in canoes. You're allowed to go in a canoe here and dock and load up the dock and canoe.
Oh, geez, don't mess around, right?
Yeah.
Don't let the mango on the ground. Yeah, mango.
Rotten mango, man. Rotten mango.
You guys still want to go?
You can tell. You can see all the bacteria.
I can't. You have a microscopic.
The Grand River.
Are we able to be in there?
To the geese, yeah. But look at all the. You can tell there's a lot of dirt and stuff in there right there. Like all the white stuff. All bacteria.
They bite.
Yeah, the crappy thing is that they're at the cleanest spot where there's no white stuff. Pure E. coli, like from all the seagulls being back too. You got a settlement over there. Buddy's got a settlement on the land by.
I'm gonna go in. That's so good. I'm probably gonna. I don't know.
Looks dirty as heck. Let's go see what's up here with this. But this is probably from over there at the friggin' Kiwanis or the Knights of Columbus. This is cleaner over here. Hey, look at all the tadpoles swimming. Oh yeah, they're all swimming. Look.
Oh! I dare someone to try to grab one.
Yo.
I can.
I could too.
They won't hurt.
I know, but they're
Tadpoles turn into frogs.
The pollywogs.